Hello, welcome to the English Easy Practice Course, story number 2. Let's get started. There is a woman. Her name is Alice. She is married and she has 3 children. She is a nice person. She has got a few friends. They are nice people too. She has a big garden. There is a big table in the garden. There are 3 boxes under the table. There are 36 cats in the boxes. There are 12 cats in per box under the table. These 36 cats are very poor. They have little money. They only have $2 each. Also, there is a small basket on the table, and there is a monkey in the basket. The monkey has lots of money. He has $27 million. Okay, back to the beginning with questions. There is a woman, her name is Alice. Is there a man? No, there's not. There isn't a man. There is a woman. How many women are there? 1 woman. There is only 1 woman. Are there 5 women? No, there aren't. There are not 5 women. There is only 1 woman. What is her name? Alice. Her name is Alice. Is her name Jane? No, her name is not Jane. Her name is Alice. Is her name Alice? Yes, her name is Alice. Alice is married and she has 3 children. Is she single or married? She is not single. Alice is not a single woman. She is married. Does she have any children? Yes, she does. She has 3 children. How many children has she got? 3 children. She has got 3 children. Has she got 1 child? No, she hasn't. She hasn't got only 1 child. She has got 3 children. Does she have 17 children? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have 17 children. She has 3 children. Alice is a nice person. She has got a few friends. They are nice people too. Is Alice a nice person? Yes, she is. She is a nice person. She is very kind. Has she got a lot of friends? No, she hasn't. She hasn't got a lot of friends. She has got a few friends. Does she have 27 friends? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have 27 friends. She has a few friends. She has 3 to 5 or 4 to 6 friends. Does she have a few friends? Yes, she does. She has a few friends. Are her friends bad people? No, they aren't. They are not bad people. They're nice people. Are they good people? Yes, they are. They are very good people. They are nice and kind people. She has a big garden. How many gardens does she have? 1 garden. She has only 1 garden. Does she have 24 gardens? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have 24 gardens. She only has 1 garden. Does she have a garden? Yes, she does. She has a garden. Is it a small garden? No, it isn't. It is not a small garden. It's a big garden. Alice has a big garden. What is there in the garden? A table. There is a table in the garden. Is there a car in the garden? No, there isn't. There is not a car in the garden. There is a table in the garden. Are there 3 tables in the garden? No, there aren't. There are not 3 tables in the garden. How many tables are there? 1 table. There is a table in the garden. There is only one table in the garden. Is there a small table in the garden? No, there isn't. There is not a small table. There is a big table in the garden. Is it a small table? No, it isn't. It is not a small table. It is a big table. The table's not small, it is very big. There are 3 boxes under the table. How many boxes are there under the table? 3 boxes. There are 3 boxes under the table. Are there 8 boxes? No, there aren't. There are not 8 boxes. There are 3 boxes. Is there 1 box under the table? No, there isn't. There is not 1 box. There are 3 boxes under the table. Are the boxes empty? No, they aren't. They are not empty. The boxes are not empty. What's in there in the boxes? There are 36 cats in the boxes. How many cats are there in the boxes? 36 cats. There are 36 cats in the boxes. Are there 11 cats in the boxes? No, there aren't. There aren't 11 cats. There are 36 cats in the boxes. Is there 1 cat? No, there isn't. There isn't 1 cat. There are 36 cats. How many cats are there per box? 12 cats. There are 12 cats per box under the table. Are there 3 cats per box? No, there aren't. There aren't 3 cats per box. Are there 12 cats per box? Yes, there are. There are 12 cats per box. These 36 cats are very poor. They have little money. They only have $2 each. Are these cats rich? No, they aren't. They are not rich. They are poor. They only have $2 each. How much money does each cat have? $2. They have only $2 each. How much money do these cats have total? $72. They have $72. Do they have $36? No, they don't. They don't have $36. They have $72. Also, there is a small basket on the table. Is there a bicycle on the table? No, there isn't. There is not a bicycle on the table. There is a basket on the table. What is there? A basket, a small basket. There is a small basket. Where is the small basket? Where is it? On the table. It is on the table. Is it under the table? No, it isn't. It isn't under the table. It is on the table. Is there a big basket on the table? No, there isn't. There is not a big basket on the table. There's a small basket on the table. The basket is small. How many baskets are there? 1 basket. There is only 1 basket. Are there 3 baskets on the table? No, there aren't. There aren't 3 baskets. There is only 1 basket on the table. What is in the basket? A monkey. There's a monkey in the basket. Is there a rabbit in the basket? No, there isn't. There isn't a rabbit in the basket. There is a monkey in the basket. Where is the monkey? Is the monkey out of the basket? No, it isn't. It is not out of the basket. It is in the basket. How many monkeys are there in the basket? One monkey. There is one monkey in the basket. Are there 5 monkeys in the basket? No, there aren't. There aren't 5 monkeys in the basket. There is only one monkey in the basket. Is the monkey poor or rich? The monkey is rich. He has lots of money. How much money does he have? $27 million. He has $27 million. Does he have $8 million? No, he doesn't. He doesn't have $8 million. He has $27 million. He is very rich. The end. Okay, that is the end of story number 2. Listen to it many times, pause, and answer the questions. See you next time. Bye.